Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a photography site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am already in my site on the template that I've chosen. However, once you're making your site, you can choose a template that has the specifications for a photography sort of showcase, for a portfolio of your artwork, and you can freely just choose that template and build your site from there. Now, once you choose your template, you can then go into the setup guide, and that is sort of, well, a guideline which you can use to make your site, to set everything up so that you can publish it and that it actually looks like something. You can also go and create new pages on your site where you can upload all content which you want. Now, to upload it, what you're going to need to do, you're going to need to go ahead and first upload the assets. So you go into assets under website, and once you're here, you can then just go ahead and upload files. You can create folders just to segment your content so that you can find it more easily. For example, I'll create a folder called test1, and now as you can see, I have that folder and I can upload things within that folder if I so chose. By double clicking on it, as you can see, I can upload files, or I can create another subfolder if I wanted to. You have your asset library over here to the left, and you can easily browse through everything that you've uploaded. Now, once you've uploaded your assets, you then go into your pages and make separate pages for separate things. As you can see, I have a blank page, and this would suffice for what I'm doing now. Since I didn't upload any photos, I won't be able to enter them here. However, if you wanted to, you can just click edit, and here you can then start adding things. For example, if I added a section, I could then go ahead and choose images, and I could upload either my content, or I can upload the content from several of my assets which I've uploaded. And if I add the section, as you can see, it looks like this, and you can click to edit the gallery, and then you can go ahead and link to your image. You can edit image as well and change what the image is. As you can see, you can edit the image contents so that you can change the brightness, the contrast, and everything to make it look nicer, look prettier, do whatever you want. Then you click save, and that's it. And yeah, you can also click this plus over here to search images or upload images directly. As you can see, if I click here, you can, when this loads up, you can choose whichever pictures you would like, and you'll be able to upload them here, or you can access them through your library. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.